Kinetic energy. Assumptions. Hi students, you have learnt about energy, the ability to do work, and that there are different types of energy such as potential and kinetic energy. Recall also that potential energy is the energy as a result of position or height of an object above the ground, while kinetic energy is the energy as a result of motion of a body or object. Anything that has weight and occupies space is matter, whether it is in solid, liquid, or gaseous state can move, hence can have kinetic energy. In this lesson, we shall consider some aspects of kinetic energy. Particularly, we shall look at the basic assumptions or theories of kinetic energy. Now, let us try to understand movement of particles. Have you noticed that when you are heating water, some bubbles or particles begin to move upward because they are hot? When the water begins to boil, you can see more bubbles moving even faster, and some begin to escape as steam from the container. So, lot of movement is observed in the boiling water. Even in cold water, you can still observe movement or flow. Now, can you explain the particles' movement you observed? The behaviors of moving particles of water or liquids, gas or solid is explained by a theory known as the kinetic theory of matter. Remember, matter is anything that has weight and occupies space. It may be solid, liquid, or gas. Kinetic theory of matter, therefore, explains or describes the nature and behavior of matter. Kinetic theory of matter states that 1. Matter is made up of particles. 2. The particles of a matter are in constant random motion. 3. The particles are bound together by some forces of attraction, cohesion and adhesion. Look at these diagrams to understand the statements of kinetic theory of matter. Kinetic theory of matter states that 1. Matter, that is solid, liquid, or gas, is made up of particles, as you can see in figure 1. 2. The particles of a matter are in constant random motion, as illustrated in figure 2. Now, let us try to explain the forces of adhesion and cohesion. It is assumed that matters are made up of particles that are in continuous random motion. But why do solids or liquids still remain intact? It is simply because there are attraction forces holding the particles together, adhesion and cohesion. Some particles are attracted and held by the walls of the container. This is adhesion force. Other particles are attracted to and held by other particles. This is the force of cohesion, as you can see in the diagram.
Thank you.